Today's adventure begins on a fantastic morning over the Westgate Resort Hotel. And we are on day 2 of 2026 Orlando Blast. Now, today's adventure would normally take us to Walt Disney World. The last adventure took us to Walt Disney World's Blizzard Beach. But anyways, today's adventure is going to focus on Westgate.
Welcome everyone to N8N Awesome Channel. Coming to you live from Westgate Kissimmee in southeast United States, more specifically Kissimmee, Florida, where it's day 2 of Orlando Blast and we're going to be doing Westgate activities. Let the awesome adventure begin. Join us, shall we? Alright, now it's time to be heading to explore Westgate. We got the 500 condos right here, and we got the club cars, and we got the big lagoon, which we went through previously. And we got a sign which tells us where we want to go. We can go left to Shipwreck Island, Chuck E. Cheese, or Mystery Funhouse Arcade Experience powered by Chuck E. Cheese. Also, we go to Dining Quick Service, or right, the Activity Center, and left, the Banana Cabana. We're gonna go left. The Swan paddle boats. We got the arcade experience, Westgate, attraction tickets, dining quick service, Los Amigos, and Shipwreck Island. Here at last, Shipwreck Island. Yay! And here's the 2 body slides. We got a red body slide and a blue body slide. And how are we gonna get in? We got 2 kiddie slides, and we got slide, white body slide, which goes straight through a candy store. Got another lake right there with a turned off Christmas tree. And even more condos. Now to get to the Shipwreck Island, we have to go left, left, left. I like left. Looks like some special guests are on board. And here's a sign. And they all point to Shipwreck Island, Los Amigos, Dining, and Town Hall. You know, the last time I've been to Shipwreck Falls, or Shipwreck Island, was in 2027. Oh, that's too far in the future. Was in 2022. The year I began my YouTube career, but that was months before I began my YouTube channel in March. Where was I? You know, oh yes, the last time I was at Shipwreck Island was in 2022, March 2022, which was 9 months before I officially began my YouTube channel on December 26th, or began my first YouTube channel on December 26, 2022, kicking off my YouTube career. My YouTube career is still going with the new channel, which was created since March 26, 2026. March 26, 2025. Correcting myself, and it still runs to this day, and it will continue to run depending on how we do, okay? Looks like some surprises are. Guests are on board. Now, let's go have fun. There are also 2 kiddie slides and 2 body slides. Let's go up the stairs. I have more to show you. Here we have the lazy river. And then we have the pirate plunge, which is part of the water fortress. You'll find many great activities like the lazy river, Cannonball Falls, Blackbeard Ship, the pirate plunge, and many, many more here. Alright, time to get back down. To have some fun. Alright, we just did the Shipwreck Island water park. And Cannonball Falls was fun. The Pirate's Plunge, I bumped my elbow, but don't worry, I made it out safe. And the water park is good, even though it's small. And here's Los Amigos to our left. And we got a skeleton family, which consists of Mama, Papa, their son, their daughter, and the dog. Arf, arf! And over here, we got more grill. And to the right is the condos. Mystery Funhouse Arcade is to the left. We are going to keep going straight. Okay. Now we have to make a stop right here. Now if you go over here and if we zoom in, that must be one of those villas. I think we stayed in one or a couple of times. We stayed in one of the villas back in 2022. March 2022, before I began my YouTube channel first YouTube channel back in December, or should I say began my YouTube career in December 26, 2022. And this is Town Hall. Get a good look at the green elephant family behind the Isle of Westgate. We got the other building right there. And we got the 500 building right there. And we got club cars. And we even have the marketplace. If we zoom in, you see I have the marketplace. It is now evening time, which means the sun is starting to set and it might be time to go back to the rooms. But before we do, I thought I'd show you the Dino Pot before we leave. And behind the trees, the swan boats. Now before we conclude the adventure, here's a little tour of the hotel room. We got a nice living room over here, and we got a nice kitchen. And there's even an amazing TV. Now, let's go in the bathroom. And now, time to see what's inside the door. Wow, this door's stuck. It won't open. But we can go through here through the open sliding doors. And
And here's the little bit of the bedroom. And if we go over here behind the curtain, there's usually a balcony. The grand tour is amazing. It's stupendous.
And that's gonna do it for today's adventure. If you're enjoying the adventure, or if you've enjoyed my other ones, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And for those of you new to me, I do travel adventures at places around the world, like at theme parks, exploring places, going on cruises, on cruise ships, zoos, aquariums, and museums, and many, many more places, like the Westgate Resort. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. See you in the next an awesome adventure. The adventure is over for today. See you later. Bye.